Yes po. Sa Pilipinas.
Tapos gagawa rin sila ng yacht club pala eh. No?
Yes po. This one is a docking area na po.
Ang ganda niya.
Lalakad kasi, hindi na namin kaya
Apo.
lakarin hanggang
Opo,
dito.
hindi po talaga ng mga other guests, hindi po talaga sila nakakapunta dito by walking lang. It's either magkalesa po sila or magganto po.
Oo nga pala, may kalesa
Yes,
tour
may
na rin.
kalesa. Okay, of course, let's take a picture here.
Sige, okay. Yeah.
Best spot for picture taking, the West Philippine Sea. By the way, if you can see that big building there, that's a Bataan Nuclear Power Plant. That create of our former President Marcos Sr. But never been open. And